All right, guys, you're watching News Listener by Angelo. Okay, ito na naman tayo at salamat po sa mga nanood ng past videos natin. Medyo busy tayo at if nagustuhan niyo po ang ating mga videos, pakihit po ng like and subscribe button. Okay, nakita natin tong balita ayon sa Scoop o Politico. Okay, kinain daw ni uh, Sara Duterte's lead counsel itong si Congressman Jeriel Luistro doon sa impeachment pre-trial. Okay, basahin natin 'yan. Tingnan natin kung totoo. So ayon dito sa right side, the defense team of the Vice President Sara Duterte appears to have drawn first blood ahead of her impeachment trial with lead counsel attorney Sheila Sison allegedly dominating the pre-trial conference and outmaneuvering House lead prosecutor Batangas Representative Jervil Luistro during the closed-door proceedings, Politico learned. Actually, nakita natin tong info na 'to galing kay Attorney Wilfredo Garrido, isa sa mga hinahangaan nating attorney at, siyempre ang daming nagsilabasang mga posts sa mga trolls ng mga Duterte na itong si Congressman Luis ay nilamon daw ng buhay. Naging parang maliit, si Congressman Luisto dito sa malaki daw na si Attorney Sison, okay. So kita dito sa picture nito, abogado ni VP Sara kinain umano ng buhay si Luistro sa pre-trial. Ayon sa ulat ng Politico, naging dominante umano si Attorney Sheila Sison, lead counsel sa pre-trial conference impeachment case. Ayon sa source, kinain ng buhay. So ayon daw sa isang source na hindi natin alam kung sino, kinain daw ng buhay. Pero ano ba talaga yung pre-trial? So, basahin natin to ayon kay Attorney Wilfredo Garrido. What kind of fiction is this? The pre-trial is the most boring part of litigation. So, pinaka-boring part daw. Okay? Bakit? Ayon sa kanya, there's no drama to be expected. Wala pong drama. All you do is among the others, agree to the stipulation of facts, compared exhibits to originals, or admit their admissibility, state the issues, etc. So walang kadramahan or anything like that. Ang problema kasi guys, yung pre-trial po ay hindi po pupuwede na yung, mga media po ay la-live broadcast at, mismo yung Senado walang live broadcast dito. So, hindi mo talaga makikita at puwedeng gumawa ng anumang issue o kalinlangan yung mga kung sino mang tao nandun, 'di ba? Without actually us, yung publiko na makikita ito. So, ayon sa matagal na pong abogado na si Attorney Garrido, napaka-boring po. So, if you not want to stipulate of a certain fact, date of commission, value, certain object, identity of person, you don't argue, just go on to the next. Okay, so continue. If you do not admit the genuineness of document you provisionally marked it, leave the operation to the judge later. Okay. If you cannot agree on a common issue, very well, state your respective issue as you please to the court to harmonize them in a pre-trial order. Lastly, give the names of your witness and agree the dates of presentation evidence which polite exchange. So, kumbaga, wala talagang any kadamahan o banggaan dito. So, ayon sa kanya, so papaano kakain ng isang abogado yung kalaban sa pre-trial? This can only happen if one lawyer is deliberately disrupted or provocative. Yun. Kumbaga, walang, kung gusto niyo ng talagang sirain yung pre-trial na na session dun, eh, sa lawyer na po yun. At sabi dito, which usually happens in a case of young lawyers trying to impress their clients. So, probably, young lawyer itong si Singson. So, I would say, yun, kumain ng kapwa abogado sa pre-trial conference is one out of order, unprofessional, unduly disruptive, and I don't think such behavior is something to be proud of. At actually, yun na yung ugali ng amo nila. If Louisa refused to engage with a misbehaving lawyer, much credit to her. So, dapat lang. The problem here is that there is no experienced judge presiding over the hearing, only the Senate Secretary. A judge would have been banged his or her gavel over disorderly conduct. The real drama takes place during the trial, which yan ang mangyayari sa impeachment sa July. Okay, guys? When the witness takes the witness stand, when the objections are raised and ruled upon, although much of drama has been preempted by reducing the direct testimony written the judicial affidavits, that was not early in my practice. Nowadays, the drama begins on cross-examination. Malayo pa yan. Huwag na maging drama queen. So, tingnan natin yung sagot ni Congressman Luisto dito. Play natin, guys.
And Attorney Sheila ho ba?
No, not necessarily, no. I would charge the exchange of arguments as merely maintaining our respective positions, mine for the prosecution and hers for the defense, no. But I do not describe it as tension. It is merely disagreement and opposite position and
Oh, so meron disagreement lang. At natural lang 'yon. Ang problema nga yung si Sara Duterte hindi mo dumalo sa pre-trial. Okay? At mukhang yung imbes na sumagot o mag-provide ng let's just say things that are needed sa impeachment trial, I think sabi daw, ang ginawa nila is nag-request sila ng parang to dismiss yung kaso. So later on, let's watch yung galing kay Congressman Redon kasi kasama siya doon sa pre-trial conference. So let's watch this, guys.
Alam po ninyo, doon po ako mula nung umpisa hanggang sa pinakadulo po ng alas 5 ng hapon. Wala pong nangyaring pag-outshine, pag-outgun at kain ng buhay, no? Kay Ministro, sa planetang nangyari yung pong bagay na yan. At wala pong kinain ng buhay. Ang meron alam ko, may kumain ng lumpia. Kasi masarap po yung inahing pagkain ng Senate Impeachment Court. No? Doon po sa dalawang panig. So, ito po yung din po na pagtatalo sa pagitan po ng dalawang panig.
Kuya Joe, Kuya Jervis?
Pero Kong Terry, may mga contentious issues kasi I think even si Kong Zia arguments during the pre-trial. Ano po yung mga naging contentious issues po nung pre-trial no Thursday?
Wala naman masyado. And I think yung pong napag-usapan lang naman po dyan yung form of how the pre-trial will proceed. So, ang nangyari na nga po, which expedited the proceedings, is that if each party has objections on admissions, stipulations, and proposals, isasabit na lang po ito in written form. No? So, the Senate Clerk of Court is basically going to expect submissions on objections noon po magkabilang panig. No? So, I think mas yun po yung more accurate depiction of the events. And katulad ho na binigay, for example, ni Defensa panel spokesperson, Attorney Michael Poa, talaga naman po bahagi po ito noon po mga harapan, kabilang panig. Pero to basically make the point na our lead prosecutor, Congresswoman Jervil Luistro, and of course, the lead of the defense panel, magagaling po itong mga kababaihang abogado. No? So, we expect nothing less from both of them. So, I think yun po yung fairest and most accurate depiction of how they conducted themselves during the start of the pre-trial.
Oh, yun. So, wala namang any na kinain o nilamon. Ang problema dito, yung nagbigay ng source, parang in-exaggerate at mas papabor pa, di ba, sa kampo ng mga Duterte, kampo ni Sara Duterte. At ina-undermine, kumbaga undermine yung kakayahan ni Congressman Luistro. At magiging lang parang ano yan, parang pampatunaw ng lakas ng prosecution. At iyan ang gusto ng mga DDS na natatalo yung kalaban nila. 'Di ba? Okay, so salamat po. Guys, kung meron kayong comment o suggestion, paki-comment po sa comment section. Kung nagustuhan niyo po ito, please hit the like and subscribe button. All right, salamat po and see you sa susunod na video.